Hello, welcome to Online. I'm Jerry Liao. Today we're going to talk about the latest version of Microsoft Office, Office 2010, and with us is the product manager of Microsoft Office, Miss Femme Cruz. Femme, welcome to Online. It's nice to have you on the show.
Hi, Jerry, and thank you for having me here in online.
Okay, first, a lot of people are excited about this new version of Microsoft Office, which is Office 2010. So we'd like to ask you, in a general point of view, what are the new features of Office 2010?
There's a lot of significant changes in Office 2010, and our goal is to help our customers have the Office experience across their PC, across their browser, and across their phone. So that's in a nutshell, is having the best productivity experience in the PC, in the phone, and in the browser. So in terms of capabilities now, we've also added a lot of multimedia editing capabilities. And so if you're into photo editing and video editing, we have embedded some tools right into Office. And I guess a lot of us are already into social networking and online mode of working. So a big step in Office 2010 is making our Office suite available in the browser or in the web via our Office web applications.
But right now, with Office 2010, you're actually embracing the cloud technology.
Right.
So does it mean that people can now access Office via the internet?
You're correct, Jerry. No? So with Office web applications, as long as you have a Windows Live IT, you're entitled to a SkyDrive 25 gig of memory, free from Windows Live. So with Office web apps, you can create, you can edit, do lightweight editing. You can upload your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote document right into SkyDrive, and then access those files anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. And we are supporting a lot of browser, not only limited to IE. So we're supporting Safari, also Firefox, Mozilla. So most of the popular browsers are supported with Office web applications.
So now I have the option to use Office via the web, or if let's say I have it in my client, I can also opt to use that. But at the same time, my files now will also be saved or be stored on my SkyDrive account.
So right into Office, you can have the option when you click on Save. You have option to save to your hard disk in your laptop, an option to save to a SharePoint portal server, which is our on-premise web solution. Or the third option is to save it in the web SkyDrive infrastructure.
So saving it on the web via SkyDrive, does it mean that I can also share that to other users, for example, for let's say for modification or for more collaboration? Is it possible?
Yes, actually the reason why we made this available in the web is actually to help our customers to do a lot of co-authoring or collaboration type, wherein two or more people can simultaneously access that same file in the web and do editing and work on that document at the same time. So which allows them to save a lot of time, especially now that we're living in a very fast-paced working environment.
Aside from the regular PC, correct me if I'm wrong, I can also now do editing or work on my documents via my mobile phone.
Yes, exactly. But what's new in Office Mobile 2010 is we're also expanding our reach, not only limiting to Windows Mobile phone. We've recently partnered with Nokia, so the next phones that will be released by Nokia will have also Office 2010 mobile edition. And for those who have Windows Mobile 6.5, they can have a free upgrade of their Office 2.7 Mobile Edition via the Windows Marketplace.
That basically explains why your tagline is productivity in the cloud.
Yes, exactly.
Yes,
so we're also taking advantage of the move of Microsoft to embrace the cloud, Microsoft investment on the cloud infrastructure, starting with the SkyDrive, Windows Live, and then recently we've launched Azure, right? And then in the next 12 months, we'll also be releasing BPOS, so Business Productivity Online Suite, which allows customers to have a Exchange, email, SharePoint, and also when that is available, it's easier for us to integrate because Office can work with the cloud infrastructure of Exchange and share.
With all these functionalities that people can actually work anywhere and using any internet device, what did Microsoft do in as far as security is concerned to make sure that the documents and even the Office applications will be available anytime?
In 207, when you receive that or open that document in Word, you're vulnerable already. So with Office 2010, what we did is once you've opened that document, Office will ask you, it disables editing. So a user can have a choice of just viewing that document and then later on decide whether he or she will trust that document. So view or read only. So that's protected view. So the second one is restricted editing. So you can allow a user to edit just a portion. So we're more granular now. Before it's only editing on a per file basis, but now we can also restrict editing to a certain component or a certain paragraph or part of the document. If you have a SharePoint portal server, then it also take advantage of the Windows infrastructure, security infrastructure.
Sounds exciting. So we'll just take a break. When we come back, we're going to talk about the special features of each application in Microsoft Office, and of course, Femme will still be joining us, so don't go away. So what applications that comes with the Office 2010?